Welcome to BitDeer After Sales Basic Training. In this module, we will learn how to replace a PSU on one of our air-cooled models. To replace a PSU, you will need a powered screwdriver or drill with number 2 Phillips bit. Ensure your drill is set to a low torque setting to avoid rounding of the screw heads. As mining operations are sure to create and collect dirt and dust, it is important to ensure you protect yourself with eye protection and gloves. Remove the lid from the miner by loosening the retaining screws. Gently slide the lid off of the miner. Remove the 4 screws connecting the PSU to the hashboard bus bars. Remove the 2 retaining screws that connect the PSU to the miner chassis. Disconnect the white PSU data cable and the yellow and black PSU power cables. Turn the miner onto its side. Gently slide the PSU out of its slots and pick it up to remove it. The PSU has 6 tabs. These line up with slots on the miner so that the PSU can slide onto the miner. Line the PSU tabs up with the slots on the miner and gently slide the PSU in place. Turn the miner upright and reconnect the white PSU data cable and the yellow and black PSU power cable. Secure the PSU to the miner chassis by installing the 2 retaining screws. Secure the hashboard bus bars to the PSU by installing the 4 hashboard bus bar screws. Slide the lid back onto the miner and tighten the 2 retaining screws. This concludes BitDeer After Sales PSU replacement training. Thank you and goodbye.